Okay, now say, Jesse, I love you.
Jesse, I love you.
And I want some pixie sticks.
What?
And I want some pixie sticks.
And I want some pixie sticks.
Okay. And because I want pixie sticks so bad, I'm willing to do this for you.
And because I want pixie sticks so bad, I'm willing to do this for you.
Now turn around 3 times.
Okay.
You're welcome.
1. 1.
1?
1. Go. 2. 2. Yes, it is. 3.
What are you guys doing?
3. Okay, stop. Now, because I want some pixie sticks,
Because I want some pixie sticks,
I'm willing to do this for you.
I'm willing to do this for you.
Now bark like a dog 3 times.
Whoop! Whoop! Whoop!
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to think.
Here, just what?
Okay, fine. And because you were nice and you did everything I wanted you to, here's a pixie stick.
Thank you.
But first, because I want a pixie stick,
First, because I want pixie sticks,
I'm willing to just do this for you.
I'm willing to just do this for you.
Now, spin around 3 times.
She is the most
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now give me a hug. Okay, now here you go.
May I do it?
You want a pixie stick? Okay.
Pixie stick for doing
Now get on your hands and knees.
Grandmother. What?
Get on your hands and knees. Wait, hold on. Let's go in the hallway and do this. Okay. Get on your hands and knees. And say, no, knees. Okay, no, just get on your knees. Okay. Say, Jesse, would you give me a pixie stick?
Jesse, would you give me a pixie stick?
And because I want it so much, I will do this for you.
Because I want it so much, I would do this for you.
Now turn around 3 times. No, on your knees. Hold on, turn around. Now turn around. 1. No, 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. Okay. And Jesse,
Jesse,
I love you.
I love you.
And because I want some pixie sticks,
I want some pixie sticks.
I'm willing to do this for you.
I'm willing to do this for you.
Stand up.
Abby,
Turn around. Go the other way.
say Jesse, I love you.
Now find the pixie sticks.
I want a pixie stick.
Where did they go? If you can find them, I'll give you a pixie stick. What are you doing?
Here.
Okay, now take one out and shove it up your nose. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, go ahead.
Hey, Mom said either that or